Hello friend, my name is Sofi, S-O-F-I. Let's learn about pronunciation F, A, U, U, O, and O. Okay, let's start with F and A. Number 1. This campus is hooked. I needed a compass to be able to find my way around it. Number 2. When I sprained my ankle at the game, my uncle rushed onto the field. Number 3. He crashed his car into another park because he was staring at this grass. Number 4. Ow, there is a bug on my back. Number 5. My dog is completely mad. As soon as she sees a puddle, she jumps into it and rolls until she is completely covered in mud. Okay, number 6. There was a truck here not long ago. I know because I saw the track in the dirt. Number 7. I saw him sitting in a puddle with a paddle in his hand. Number 8. I had to race to the hospital because my body was suddenly covered in a rash. Number 9. I believe that you will need help of us as a friend. Number 10. He comes in front of the camera. Number 11. Deserve a butter to the batter. Number 12. The baseball cap beside the cup. Number 13. The camp get the champion. Number 14. Standing in front of the fan is very fun. Number 15. Us in bed and bed. The part 2, let's learn about O and O sounds. Number 1. Indonesian low is very low. Number 2. I ate a bowl of meatballs. Number 3. He opened the shoe for a sword. Number 4. She gave me coat with a piece of coat. Number 5. I can see throat. It's throat. Number 6. Corn food is made from corn. Number 7. I will sleep snoring when it snows. Number 8. The bubbles are formed from foam. Number 9. The blackbird choked on chalk. Number 10. The Lord gives a load for everyone. Number 11. I closed the worn claws of cat claws. Number 12. She crowed when crowing. Number 13. My birthday is O or A, I don't know. Number 14. I know about him, not about you. Number 15. The fall while walking. The part 3, let's start with U and U. Number 1. I can write sweet a book. Number 2. I saw horror movie when my mom was cooking. Number 3. His foot just tapped on food. Number 4. Chacha filled the pool with water until full. Number 5. Soon I will be a good people. Number 6. My hood opened because the hood wine. Number 7. Mr. Gap's suite is covered by soot. Number 8. At my school, the table and chairs made of wood. Number 9. I'm wearing wool when I'm cool. Number 10. She buy a blue book. Number 11. Could you help me in the school? Number 12. She stood with her new shoes. Number 13. I put a glue in my desk. Number 14, my group should go international. Number 15, okay, your school is full of rules. Okay, finally, thanks for watching my video and I hope this video is useful. Okay, bye bye.